if you are a bit more hands-on and a bit more technical, you can save yourself money by creating pages for yourself. And initially what we'll do is set you up with a blank page template that matches the theme and style of your website. But once you've got that set up, you can then technically create as many pages as you like off that template without having to style everything and make it look right and fit with your website. In order to do that, all you need to do is obviously have the conversation with us first so we can get you all set up. Then log in, go to your dashboard and click on Pages. This will bring you up with a list of all the pages that you've got in there, and you'll see one which is called Blank Page that we will have set up for you. Once you decide you want to create a page and add some new content in, you just go over here to New Draft, click on that, and it'll just create an exact duplicate of this blank page, which will leave the blank page intact, and it'll bring in all the elements you need to actually edit the page. There are a couple of things you need to do. So let's say you need to change the header to whatever you want the new page to be. So you just type that in there, and then you'll need to edit the link as well, because it defaults to just, number 2 of whatever the clone page was. So we'll call this new page. Now you can't have spaces in there, so if it's new space page, you need to use a dash to join those together, and just click OK. And that's it. You're now ready to start editing this page however you want. If you're more comfortable using the Visual Builder that we've plugged in there, you just click on Use Visual Builder, and it'll just load up everything that you've got on your page. And you can see here, this is a demo page that we've created that just matches the theme of the underlying website. So you can make all your changes that you'd like to. So once you've done your changes, just publish it. And then exit the Visual Builder. And you'll now see that your new page is live with any edits that you've made. And it really is just as simple as that.